Yeah.
Does it look like it's dissolving anything in there?
A little.
More vinegar in there. Wait a day or two, whatever you're doing, and then flush that out and immediately put baking soda in it, and then put some water in there. You know, flush that out, and then that should like it neutralizes like the flash rust part.
Okay.
And so that should stop it.
So what, you gotta shake a bunch of vinegar around in it? That's it?
Vinegar and bolts he's going with. Yeah, he's going with the more old technique, like I said. Yeah.
Damn, boy. And that just does some crazy reaction.
Yeah.
It neutralizes it. It prevents it from flash rusting.
Gotcha.
The baking soda.
Alright, you want hot water or you want cold water?
Well, it has a lot of bits in it.
Yeah.
I feel like we got this nice and clean.
Parts aren't coming out. Of course.
Yeah, that might be tricky. I didn't think of that.
Yeah, look at that. It's like doing crazy baking soda shit. Yeah. That's quite a bit of chunks too, honestly.
Yeah.
It's like being at Yellowstone.
I guess I'm holding it from my angle.
Dude, that looks
that
looks hella clean.
Yeah, actually worked well.
What are you guys trying to turn? You have to turn this thing here. Yeah. Yeah. You just kind of get like some channel locks on it and turn it. And it'll go.
Let's see.
Alrighty, sweetie.
Sick.
In the engine or in the car?
But
Down
I
the
saw
hole.
that there was
Oh,
one
fuck.
in the fucking
Oh.
It's fine. It's still sitting
Guys,
there.
it's fine. It's
I
fine.
can see it. I
Yeah.
can see it.
Oh,
We
we can
just
see
flip
it.
the bike upside down. Well, let's take the back wheel.
You're flipping it upside
We
down.
have to flip it upside down.
Pushing it back this way. Yeah, we're going completely over.
There it goes.
Hey, hey-o. Just the one?
Oh yeah.
Fit like that. That'd be awesome.
That is awesome.
Touch short. So this thing could face this way, but it could also face like that way.
If you get that in a few days.
Then I think we could fire this thing up next weekend